Hey everybody, Andrew and Bennett here with my WNC Home. In today's episode, we're going to be talking about the keys of success for your real estate goals in 2018. Stay tuned. Alright, so today we're going to be talking about your strategy and what you need to know about the real estate market and what's going to be happening in 2018. So whether you're buying a home or selling a home or looking to invest, you're able to make strategic decisions based on what the market's projected to do. So what we have to do to project what's going to happen in 2018 is actually look at what's happened in the past couple years as well as what's happening currently. So what we're going to do is I'm actually going to draw a graph so we can kind of see. Alright, so on this axis, this is going to be our rates. And on this axis, this is going to be time. So rates over time. So we're going to have two lines. We're going to track two different rates here and how they correlate. Basically, we've got the federal interest rate, so it's been continuing to go up here, go up, go up, go up. Let's just say this is 2018. So it's been going up. What we've kind of seen is just kind of a gradual trend up here in our mortgage rates. So mortgage. So there we go. We got our mortgage rates, we've got our Fed rates. And what you can see is there is a greater delta here, and now it's becoming compressed. There's a lot less variance between the two rates. So right now, we've got about 4.25 is what you can go out and get a mortgage rate for. And basically what's going to happen is the Fed says it's going to go up 3 to 4 times this year. So the interest rate's going to go up 3 or 4 times. We no longer have the luxury of being able to have that buffer between the two. We're having to actually increase the mortgage rates as the federal rates go up now because the buffer has been used up. So by the end of this year, it's very possible we could actually be up into the 5s. That's a reasonable place to be. So what that means to you guys is if you're looking to buy a home, you want to do it now, sooner rather than later, early in 2018. February and March are great times because what's happening is the inventory is picking up. More people are selling their homes, they're starting to come on the market. And you want to lock in one of those homes so that you can lock in a better interest rate for the term, be it a 30-year fixed or whatever the case may be. You want to lock in that interest rate so you don't end up paying more money for the home over the long run. What that means to us as sellers is if you're looking to sell your home, you're going to have more competition, more people that are using this information and understanding that they need to buy sooner rather than later. So that's going to put you in a little bit of a position of power because you know that they're trying to get in under the wire and lock in a solid interest rate on their mortgage. So you're going to be able to use that during negotiations. It's also going to help dictate the value of your home. Now for investors, that's another thing entirely because you've got folks that are looking to use leverage, and that's where your interest rates on your mortgages obviously are going to come into your bottom line, or folks that are looking to invest cash into real estate. And depending on how you approach that, if you're looking at interest rates, you want to lock that in now. If you're wanting to do a cash deal, the best thing with that is get a home and put it into a situation where you're renting it out monthly, because as we see interest rates for mortgages going up, we're going to see less and less people actually buying homes, and we're going to see more and more people renting homes because the affordability is going to be going down. So keep that in mind and have a very successful 2018, and make sure you tune in for our next show. Thanks a lot, guys. Check us out at all our social media at MyWNC Home. This is Andrew Murkens, your favorite bearded realtor, signing off. Have a great one.